Oh, I'm out of tissues, guys. It's snowing out where I am, which makes it real difficult to get to the store. I don't drive. I have to walk to the store. It's not running down my face. No Yankee. It will be horrible. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I think the fit's over, guys. I still kind of have an itch there, but it won't coax. Now I'm just getting itchy. It usually means if I'm getting itchy, then nothing else is gonna. Ugh. Fuck. I guess if I feel another fit coming, I'll induce it again to get it going. Other than that, guys, have a good day.